It's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for these adorable memory wire seed bead earrings using the Bargain Bead Box Time Traveler for December of 2025. I have a coupon code for it, BNJ2, for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below to the full unboxing tutorial for this box. This box, the boxes are $24.99 a month, and they're valued at over $60. This one was valued at $86.82. So it's a great, I mean, you get so many beads and gemstones and findings. And we did get the antique for this month. I will leave a link below. The first tutorial I made for this month was for this necklace, and actually these earrings would go really cute with this necklace, so I will leave a link below to this tutorial as well. And I used these seed beads, the metallic olivine 11/0s and the brown berry 11/0s, and I loved them so much in the necklace that I ended up using them to make these earrings. And these little the round floral vintage beads with the orange in them, the green matched the agate, and I loved this metallic part of the green to go with this. I thought I kind of brought out a pop. And then I just had some disc beads. I just did some gold just for something different. So, but you could do silver, you could do antique brass, you could do whatever you want. I was just kind of showing you. And I wanted this gold at the top of the memory wire to show. I didn't want it to be totally covered up. So, yeah, so if you are interested in learning how to make these earrings, then stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, this is the earring that we're going to create. I'll put it right there. And I'm starting with a piece of memory wire, and I just cut it to a full circle, so the space is at the top like that. And then I have 2 of the round porcelain vintage beads. And then I have 2 of the Elysian agate dyed. And then 1 of the beautiful champagne luster coated. And then instead of using the antique bronze in this, I got just 4 of my gold spacers. But you can use whatever you want. I'm just kind of showing you the idea. And then I'm doing, I don't know if you saw this video, but I just put this video up, and I mixed these beads in there, the green and the brown, these 2. So I got these at Hobby Lobby. These are check glass. One is 11/0 seed beads. It's metallic olivine, and the other one is 11/0 brown berry. So I ended up keeping these seed beads for these because that green really matches with the green in here, in this little bead. And then I didn't cover up the memory wire all the way. I wanted a little bit of the gold to show through at the top to kind of match with the bottom. So I put these together, and then I did 10 groups of 3 browns and then 1 green, and then 3 browns, 1 green. So I did 10 of these with these in between. So we're going to start with this. So I'll just start and I'll work my way over that way. So I'm going to do a green, and then a gold spacer, and then the ceramic, and the gold spacer. I think these are so fun. And the champagne, the gold spacer, ceramic, gold spacer, and then the green, like that. So that's how I start it. Now, I like to use these even for this. So I'm gonna just go and start doing that pattern and doing the 3 brown and the 1 green. So let me spread these out. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Well, let me grab this. 3, and then a green. And then 1, 2, 3, and a green. 3, 2, 3, oh, 3, and a green. And let me spread these out. 4, 2, 3, and a green. And make sure that you don't end up grabbing 4 or 2. I always, because I've done that before, and then you have to undo the whole thing. And then 5, 2, 3, and a green. And we'll do 6, 2, 3, and a green. And then we'll do 7, 2, 3. Oh, see, there would have been a 4. And a green. 8, 2. I'm not fast forwarding this because that way if you're making this with me, we can count together. Wait, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we're doing 9, 2, 3, green, and then the last one, 10, 2, and 3. Oh, okay, wait, I'm gonna have to count that to make sure I didn't. This is why I use these little clips at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So there we have that. And now we'll go over to this side. And we'll do this again. This is so pretty. I think these are so cute, these earrings. These are like kind of springtime colors, I think. So 1, and a green, green, 1, 2, 3, and a green. And you can change it up and do like 8 O's instead, and then go to 11 O's. So you could do 6 O, then 8 O, then 11 O's. I mean, you could, you know, do that. I don't mind the jump in the bead sizes because it's kind of what I was going for, or else I would have got bigger ones. But yeah, I thought these were fun. 2, 3. So now we're on 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. We'll go 6, 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. And 2 more sets. 9, 2, 3. And a green. and then three of the browns. 10, 2, 3. Okay. So let's count these before we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now I am using I use these to curl the memory wire, and I'm using the smaller one, and I just take it at the very tip and I'm curling it in to form one circle like that. Okay, kind of make sure that's all, this one perfect hoop. Okay, and I like a little bit of, like I said, the gold to be showing at the top. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now I kind of take it and I kind of bring it in a little bit, just so it's not so wide, so it will kind of hoop a little better. Then I'm gonna take this jump ring and open it up. I'm gonna put those two in there, and then I'm gonna put that right there. And here we have these adorable, I think these are so cute. I really loved colors this month. I was really happy with these. This is so cute. Look at that, adorable. And you can change it up. I mean, you could do silver, you could do whatever. I'm just kind of giving you an idea for, you know, a style. And I loved these two seed beads with the last necklace that I did, and with these two. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below as well as the link to the full unboxing for the December 2025 Time Traveler box for Bargain Bead Box. And I will leave links below to all my social media as well. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of these adorable earrings and if you're going to be making them or not. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.